So, how do you schedule emails in Gmail in under a minute? So, to start off, let's head over to Google Chrome browser as I've already opened it up. And here you just need to search for Gmail and you can click on the first link, or you can either click here on the Google Apps and search for Gmail. So after you click on Gmail, you just need to head over to Compose. So Compose is located over here on the left side, and click on Compose. Now here you just need to fill up the basic details. So let's say google@gmail.com. So this is just an example for an email. Now here you just need to type in any subject. So I'm just gonna put NA and the message right here. And here you just need to click on the more send options. And here you just need to click on schedule send. And as you can see, you just need to somehow pick a date and time. So for this one, I'll just choose for today. So I'll just choose maybe, let's say 8:04 and schedule send. Oh, it's invalid time. So let's see if we can send it right here. So you can only send it an hour forward. So as you can see, it's already been sent in the sent options. So let's see now, scheduled one, and it will send the email that I've made to the recipient. So it will send it to google@gmail.com at exactly 9:05 a.m. So that's basically how you use scheduled email on Gmail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.